there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I am so glad you stopped by today because we have something truly special lined up for you. We are diving deep into one of the most beloved design styles right now, the Airy Farmhouse Interior, dressed up for early summer with light wood tones and the softest, most dreamy textures you can imagine. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly design inspiration. And if you are already part of our community, you already know we love to keep things warm, practical, and absolutely beautiful. Drop a comment below and tell us, are you a farmhouse lover? We would love to hear from you. Now, let us get into it. Before you even step inside, your farmhouse exterior is already speaking volumes. Think crisp white board and batten siding. That is the classic vertical plank pattern you see on traditional farm buildings, paired with a welcoming covered porch supported by simple wooden columns. For early summer, swap out any heavy winter wreaths for a loose arrangement of dried pampas grass and eucalyptus in a galvanized metal bucket by the front door. Black matte hardware on a solid wood door adds that signature contrast farmhouse lovers adore. Window shutters in a soft sage green or warm charcoal complete the look beautifully and set the tone for everything inside. Your entryway is the first breath of your home, and in farmhouse design, it should feel both purposeful and pretty. Start with a slim shiplap paneled wall. Shiplap refers to those horizontal wooden boards with a small gap between them, painted in a soft creamy white. Mount a row of antique-style cast iron hooks at varying heights for coats and hats. Below that, add a low shoe cabinet in natural light oak with simple metal poles. Include a cushioned bench for seating, a round wooden frame mirror to bounce light around, and a thick braided jute mat at the door. Finish with a small ceramic vase holding wildflowers for that effortless summer freshness. The living room is where farmhouse design truly shines. Begin with a foundation of linen upholstered furniture. Linen is a breathable, natural fabric that feels cool and relaxed in summer. Choose a wide sofa in odor-warm white tones and style it with chunky knit throw pillows in sage and dusty blush. A natural rattan coffee table adds beautiful organic texture. For the floors, go with wide plank light oak hardwood or a convincing laminate alternative. Layer a faded vintage-style wool rug underneath. Open wooden shelving on one wall styled with ceramic vessels, trailing pothose plants, and a few hardback books tied together with twine keeps things casual yet curated and authentically farmhouse. A farmhouse dining room is made for long, lingering meals with people you love. Anchor the space with a solid rectangular dining table in bleached or whitewashed wood. The lighter the tone, the airier the room feels in summer. Pair it with a mix of Windsor-style wooden chairs and a bench along one side for casual charm. For your table decor, think a simple linen runner down the center, a cluster of amber glass bud vases with wildflowers, and linen napkins tied with sprigs of dried lavender. Overhead, a woven rattan pendant light or an antique-inspired chandelier with exposed bulbs adds warmth and character. Natural light is your best accessory here. Keep window treatments sheer. The farmhouse kitchen is where practicality gets a beautiful makeover. Choose shaker-style cabinets. Those are the ones with a simple recessed panel, in soft white or sage green for the upper cabinets and natural wood tones for the lower ones. This two-tone approach is a huge trend right now and adds visual depth. For countertops, honed marble or a butcher block section near the sink feels authentically farmhouse. Your refrigerator in a panel-ready or retro-inspired finish, a classic white or cream range with a farmhouse hood above it, and a compact brushed brass espresso machine nestled in the corner create a kitchen that photographs beautifully and functions even better. Open shelves above the counter styled with ceramic mugs and glass jars complete the look. The farmhouse family room is all about relaxed togetherness. Unlike the more styled living room, this space should feel like the most comfortable spot in the house. Build your seating around a deep, sink-in sectional sofa in a durable performance fabric, a practical choice for real family life. Mount a flat-screen TV on a shiplap-paneled accent wall framed by floating wooden shelves. Style those shelves with a mix of framed family photos in simple wooden frames, a few trailing plants, and woven baskets for storage. A large woven area rug in a natural wheat tone grounds the space. Keep the color palette soft, warm whites, taupes, and muted greens, so the room always feels calm and welcoming after a long day. Not every home has a dedicated office, and that is perfectly fine. Farmhouse design celebrates clever, multifunctional spaces beautifully. Find a quiet corner and build it out with a slim antique-style wooden writing desk with just enough surface for a laptop and a small brass desk lamp. Add a unique detail like a vintage-inspired analog desk clock, small but full of personality, and a compact retro radio in cream or sage for background music while you work. A built-in or freestanding bookshelf beside it doubles as your reading nook anchor. Tuck in a cozy armchair upholstered in a soft plaid fabric, a floor lamp with a linen shade, and a small side table for your tea. This corner will become your favorite room in the house. Your farmhouse bedroom should feel like stepping into a perfectly curated retreat. Start with an upholstered headboard in a soft oatmeal linen fabric. Headboards in fabric add warmth and reduce the echoing, hard quality that wood alone can create. Dress your bed in layers. Start with a crisp white cotton duvet. Layer a waffle knit throw blanket at the foot, and add pillows in varying sizes mixing white, sage, and warm terracotta tones. On either side, use matching nightstands in a light oak finish with small ceramic table lamps. A vintage-inspired wardrobe or open clothing rail adds character. For floors, a soft washable cotton rug beside the bed ensures your feet land somewhere warm every morning. The farmhouse bathroom strikes that perfect balance between rustic charm and clean, spa-like calm. For the shower area, consider white subway tile, a classic that never goes out of style, with dark charcoal grout for definition. A rainfall showerhead in brushed nickel or matte black adds a touch of luxury. At the vanity, choose a vessel sink in matte white ceramic, sitting on a light wooden or painted white cabinet. A frameless or wooden-framed mirror above it keeps the look open. Accessorize with small wicker baskets for toiletries, a cotton rope hand towel holder, and a small potted plant like an air plant or small fern on the windowsill. Every detail should feel clean, natural, and effortlessly considered. Your farmhouse patio is essentially an outdoor living room, and early summer is the perfect time to make it sing. Begin with a foundation of large-format concrete or weathered stone pavers. Anchor the space with a teak or acacia wood dining table and matching bench seating, softened with outdoor cushions in striped linen or a classic buffalo check pattern. Add a cluster of terracotta pots in varying heights planted with lavender, rosemary, and trailing ivy for a kitchen garden feel. String lights overhead create magic the moment the sun goes down. A woven outdoor rug defines the seating zone, and a small side table with a galvanized metal lantern adds that farmhouse detail that ties everything together. The garage is often the last space people think to design, but a farmhouse-inspired garage can be both organized and genuinely beautiful. Start with a classic carriage-style garage door in white or natural wood tones. The hinged panel look is instantly charming. Inside, use open wooden wall shelving with galvanized metal brackets for tool and supply storage. Pegboards painted white with black metal hooks are a practical and attractive way to organize hand tools. A workbench in solid wood with a worn finish adds character. For the floor, a light gray sealed concrete or interlocking rubber tile keeps things clean. Hanging an old lantern-style pendant light above the workbench adds a detail that says you care about every corner of your home. Let us take a moment to understand what makes the farmhouse aesthetic so enduringly popular. At its heart, farmhouse design is about honest materials: wood, linen, cotton, rattan, and iron, used in ways that feel warm and unpretentious. The key design principle here is what designers call layered neutrals, building a palette of whites, creams, taupes, and soft naturals that feel cohesive and calm. Nothing in a farmhouse interior should feel overly matched or too precious. Instead, aim for collected, as though pieces were gathered over time with intention. Mixing old and new, rough and smooth, simple and ornate is exactly what gives farmhouse interiors their soul and their staying power. Lightwood is the secret weapon of the Airy Farmhouse Interior. It keeps spaces feeling open, fresh, and grounded all at once. For early summer, lean into blonde oak, ash, and whitewashed pine. These tones reflect natural light beautifully and pair effortlessly with soft white walls and linen fabrics. When choosing furniture, look for pieces that show the wood grain clearly. That natural texture is part of the beauty. Avoid very yellow or orange-toned woods, as these can make a space feel dated. A practical tip: if you're mixing wood tones, and you absolutely can, keep at least 2 of your pieces in the same wood family so the space feels intentional rather than mismatched. Lightwood flooring is the single best investment you can make. In farmhouse design, texture does the heavy lifting that color does in bolder styles. When your palette is soft and neutral, the way surfaces feel, to the eye and to the touch, is what brings richness to a room. Think about building a texture story in each space. Start with a smooth linen sofa, add a chunky knit throw, layer a rough jute rug underneath, and place a smooth ceramic vase on a rough wooden shelf. This interplay between smooth and rough, woven and knit, matte and slightly glossy is what makes the farmhouse interior so visually interesting despite its quiet color palette. Do not be afraid to stack textures generously. In this style, more is absolutely more when it comes to softness. The accessories in a farmhouse home are not afterthoughts. They are the punctuation marks that complete every sentence. In the living room, group objects in odd numbers. 3s and 5s always look more natural than pairs. Mix heights. A tall dried pampas stem next to a medium ceramic jar, next to a small wooden candle holder. In the kitchen, open shelves are your canvas. Stack white ceramic plates, hang mugs on hooks, and let a small herb pot sit casually between your glass storage jars. In the bedroom, a stack of linen-covered books on the nightstand next to a small, simple candle feels both curated and lived in. Every surface should tell a small story without shouting. One of the joys of farmhouse design is how easy it is to transition between seasons with just a few thoughtful swaps. For early summer, the key moves are light, bright, and botanical. Swap heavy curtains for breezy sheer linen panels that billow gently. Replace any dark winter throw pillows with covers in soft sage, blush, and warm white. Bring nature inside in generous amounts. Branches of eucalyptus in a tall ceramic vase, a bowl of lemons on the kitchen counter, potted herbs on the windowsill. Roll up heavy wool rugs and bring in lighter cotton or jute alternatives. Finally, open every window you can. Natural light and a gentle breeze are the ultimate summer accessories, and they cost absolutely nothing. Beautiful organization is a farmhouse superpower. The secret is choosing storage that looks good even when it is full. Woven seagrass and rattan baskets in varying sizes are your best friends. Use them in the living room for throw blankets, in the bathroom for toiletries, in the bedroom for seasonal clothing. In the kitchen, wooden crates on open shelving hold everything from cookbooks to ceramic crockery. In the entryway, a shallow wooden tray on the shoe cabinet corrals keys, sunglasses, and mail. A key tip for beautiful organization: decant everyday items like laundry detergent, dog treats, or snacks into simple glass or ceramic containers. This single habit transforms your spaces from cluttered to curated almost instantly. Lighting in a farmhouse interior is not just functional, it is atmospheric. During the day, Maximize natural light with minimal window dressings and reflective surfaces like mirrors and light-toned walls. As the day winds down, layered artificial lighting takes over. In the living room, pair a central rattan pendant with table lamps on either side of the sofa using warm-toned Edison-style bulbs. In the kitchen, under-cabinet lighting in warm white makes the workspace glow beautifully in the evenings. In the bedroom, wall-mounted swing arm sconces beside the headboard free up nightstand space and look incredibly intentional. Candles deserve a special mention too. Pillar candles on a wooden tray or floating in a glass bowl add a warmth that no electric light can fully replicate. And there we have it, every beautiful corner of an airy farmhouse interior designed for early summer with light wood and soft textures. From that charming facade that greets your guests to the cozy reading nook where you end your evenings, every space we explored today shares the same soul: warmth, simplicity, and a deep love for the natural world brought indoors. Remember, you do not need to redesign everything at once. Start with one room, one corner, even one shelf, and build from there. Farmhouse design rewards patience and a thoughtful, collected approach. The most beautiful homes are not designed in a day. They grow, evolve, and reflect the people who live in them. Thank you so much for spending this time with us today on the Daily House Ideas. If this video inspired even one small change in your home, then our work here is done. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. It truly helps us reach more design lovers just like you. Drop your questions, your room reveals, or your favorite farmhouse tip in the comments below. We read every single one and love hearing from this incredible community. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now and join thousands of people who get fresh design inspiration delivered to them every single week. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces. See you soon.